Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to our channel, Business Mentality, and in this video we're going to show you how to take better quality photos for items that you post on eBay. Now, if you didn't know, we did a video a few weeks ago where we show you how to post an item on eBay step by step. And if you guys are interested in checking that out, you can check it out in the cards up here. But if you guys are on a budget and you don't have a lot of money to spend on taking pictures, we're going to show you an alternative that you can use. But if you're looking to sell on eBay for the long term, then we're going to show you something where you would have to invest a little bit of money to take even better pictures. So let's get right into it. Okay, so if you're on a budget and you only have a couple dollars to spend on some materials, this is a good way to take better pictures. Just buying some cheap white poster boards that you can buy from Walmart or Office Depot or Staples, and then just buying some LED lamps. So I'm going to give you guys an example of how a picture would look when you're using the white poster boards and an LED lamp. So we're going to be taking a picture of this right here, and we're just going to be using our phone. So the white background makes it look pretty nice with the LEDs on it, but the only problem that there is that it casts a shadow on it. So I don't know if you want to zoom in, and this is how it. So it makes the picture look pretty good when you're posting it on eBay or OfferUp or whatever platform you're using to sell items. But the only downside is that it casts a shadow. I mean, which is not a big deal. This is the method that we started with when we first got started selling on eBay. But as we started selling more and more, we invested a little bit of money into something to take even better pictures. So I'm going to show you what we use to take pictures now for items that we post on eBay. Okay, so this is what we use to post items on eBay right now. So this is a light box that we bought from a website called AliExpress, but there's other ones that they have on Amazon. You guys can check them out. So this is it helps us out a lot to take better quality pictures when it comes to items that we post. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks when we post when we take a picture of an item that we want to post on eBay. So it comes with a little switch right here. It's probably too bright for you guys to see, but I'm going to just take a picture, and then I'm going to compare the two pictures at the end of the video so you guys can check out the difference in the quality for yourself. So this one right here, you can actually adjust the brightness. So if you come down right here, you can adjust the brightness to bring it down pretty low, or you can blow out the brightness if you want. I mean, that's the benefit about using a light box. So I would recommend, if you guys are serious about posting items on eBay and starting a business, to invest a little bit of money into something like this that can take your pictures to the next level. And also, it has little cutouts right here if you want to take pictures from here or different angles. Even the top right here. So I don't know if you want to check that out. So if you're going to take pictures with your phone or even a DSLR camera, I mean, this helps out a lot. And it's a lot better than just using poster board with LED lamps. And also, cool thing about this is that it comes with different backgrounds. So as you can see, it has a white background on it, but it also has a black one too. And this is like some pretty good material. This is like I'm not too sure what kind of plastic this is, but this is like some durable plastic. And also, it has this kind of like beige tan background. I mean, when we bought it, the picture that they used this for was kind of like for food. I mean, but we don't really use this one. We just mostly use the white background and the black background. And this is pretty easy to fold up. I'm going to show you guys how it looks under here. It's all Velcro, so it's easy to put away. So it's just simple LED lamps that you can use. You can fold this up pretty you can fold this up and put this anywhere pretty much. So I mean, if you guys want to know where we got this from, I'm gonna leave links in the description so you guys can check them out. And that's basically it. I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to disassemble and set this whole thing up. It's pretty simple. It's just, I mean, you just fold it up and you can put it almost anywhere. So, okay. And that's it. Okay, so thanks for watching, you guys. And if you guys want to learn other tips and tricks when it comes to taking your game to the next level, when it comes to making money on the side, then I invite you to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. So, we'll see you guys later.